Good evening traders, welcome to 200forexpips.com. I'm here with the final analysis of 12th of February 2019. Okay guys, we have a very good day with trading and I'm going to start today's discussion right from Euro USD. This is the signal report that I have sent to the subscribers in the morning, and Euro USD with a bullish expectation from 112839. So guys, you can see 112839, the market has started to go up right from this area, and I have set up the target price at 113122, and you can see the market is still bouncing up from the target price, even it has beyond the barriers of the target price. So guys, if you have traded Euro USD in a bullish manner that I have predicted in my signals report, then you must have closed the day with a profit on this pair. Okay, now let's talk about New Zealand USD. Let me switch my chart to New Zealand USD. So guys, this is the second signal of my signals report. I have a bullish expectation for New Zealand USD. 067342 was the entry and 067517 was the target price. However, the target price is not met till now. It has tried to break that level, then it went up to this level. But guys, if it continues the bullish pattern, then it can reach out to 067517. Okay, now let's talk about Great Britain Pound USD. Okay guys, basically we have done scalping in the morning and the entry was bearish from my side 128629, and we have taken the benefit from this sudden drop that was appeared on Great Britain Pound USD, and after that it has moved up, but we have done scalping is on this trade, so it might be possible that it might hit the stop loss of those traders who have held it for a longer period of time. Otherwise we have done scalping and caught the profit within a single trade. Okay, now let's talk about USD JPY. So guys, I have supplied the bearish signal in case of USD JPY because the price of USD JPY has already reached to the maximums. So 115050 was the entry, and target price is 110160. And guys, you can see it has a slight bearish pattern, and after that it has again moved out, but still I can say that USD JPY is in a bearish zone. So if you find that it is going below 110505, then again selling chances will be on and we will get a bearish pressure on USD JPY. Okay, we do not talk about the losing trades. Now let's talk about the strength that we have seen today on USD CHF. Let me switch my chart to that particular pair. Okay guys, so I'm just going to take you towards the signals report. So with a bullish expectation from 100472 and 100911 was the target price, and guys, you can clearly see USD CHF has moved up right from the entry that I have provided in my signals report, and finally it hit the target price, and after that it has fell down, but we had not have to do with this because it already hit the target price. So that was 100% successful signal from our side. Okay, now let's talk about Great Britain Pound JPY. Okay, so a bearish trend was supplied to the subscribers in the morning from 142179. As you know that I provide my signals before the London session. So guys, we have a drop before the London session. 3 hours it has went down, so we have done scalping on this, and the market went down for some time and we have taken the profits and then we exit from the trade. So overall it was a satisfied signal. At last I am going to talk about AUD JPY, and guys, with a bullish expectation from my side on AUD JPY, 78293 was the entry and the target price is 78764. However, you can see that the market today has went up right from the entry. So if you have done scalping on AUD JPY in a bullish way, then you must have caught the profit. Overall guys, it was a very successful day with the trading, and it was very easy to trade Forex with my signals. But let me explain you about the trading system, because most of the subscribers who are new to the trading channel, let me explain. Whenever you see that the market is making the bearish pattern from the top red boundary, then that's the overbought levels. So you can take sell positions after when you see that market is just making the bearish pattern. If it is not making the bearish pattern, then do not sell. And whenever you see that the market has came into the lower red boundary and it's making the bullish pattern, like it happened today on Euro JPY, Euro USD, then the market straight went up. And whenever you see that the hourly candle is closed above the dotted blue middle line, then take a chance into the buy position, and look, the next candles are up. And whenever you see that the hourly candle is closed below the dotted middle line, then take the sell position on the next candle. Look, the pair went down. So this is how we use the trading system. Moreover, the scalper is here to help you. When the scalper gives the white signal at the oversold levels, then you can buy the pair, and you will ignore the red signals at the oversold levels. And when the scalper gives the white signal at the overbought levels, you will ignore this one, and when it gives the red signal, then you can trust on this one. And look, the market went down, and this is how we use the trading system. So guys, this is all about the today's analysis. So if you are looking to subscribe to my daily forex signal service, if you want to get these trading indicators that I have just discussed with you, if you want to improve your trading technique through my video lessons, or you want to request for Skype one-to-one live coaching, for all this, please send your inquiries on info@200forexpips.com. Please like my video, subscribe my YouTube channel, and share the analysis with other traders. Thank you for watching the video.